Hello and welcome to our video titled, Biggest Heavy Equipment Machines Working at Another Level 2 Feet. Today, we'll take you through some of the largest and most impressive heavy equipment machines in the world, showcasing their incredible capabilities and the monumental tasks they perform. These giants of engineering truly operate at another level, transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's dive right in. Bagger 288. The Bagger 288 is one of the largest land vehicles in the world. This colossal bucket wheel excavator is used in coal mining and can move 240,000 cubic meters of earth per day. Its sheer size and efficiency make it a marvel of engineering. Liebherr T282B. The Liebherr T282B is a massive dump truck used in mining operations. With a payload capacity of 400 tons, it's one of the largest and most powerful trucks in the world. Watching it transport enormous loads is awe-inspiring. Caterpillar 797F. The Caterpillar 797F is another giant in the world of mining trucks. It boasts a payload capacity of 400 tons and is designed to operate in the harshest mining environments. Sheer size and power are truly impressive. Komatsu D575A. The Komatsu D575A is the largest bulldozer ever built. This giant machine is used for heavy-duty earth-moving tasks in mining and large-scale construction projects. Its immense blade can push vast amounts of material with ease. Bucyrus RH400. The Bucyrus RH400 is a hydraulic mining excavator that holds the title of the world's largest excavator. With a bucket capacity of 94 tons, it can move massive amounts of earth and rock quickly and efficiently. P&H4100XPC. The P&H4100XPC is a huge electric mining shovel. This machine is designed for high production loading of haul trucks in mining operations. Its enormous bucket and powerful arm make it a key player in large-scale mining. Hitachi ZX690-6. The Hitachi ZX690-6 is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. It is used primarily in mining for heavy-duty digging and loading. Its powerful engine and massive bucket make it an incredibly efficient machine. Terex MT6300AC. The Terex MT6300AC is a high-capacity haul truck used in mining. With a payload capacity of 400 tons, it is designed to haul large loads over rough terrain. Its size and strength are truly remarkable. BelAZ 75710. The BelAZ 75710 is the largest dump truck in the world. It has a payload capacity of 450 tons and is used in large mining operations. Its impressive size and load capacity set it apart from other trucks. Letourneau L2350. The Letourneau L2350 is the world's largest wheel loader. Used in mining operations, it has a bucket capacity of 40.52 cubic meters and can lift 72 tons in a single load. Its enormous size and power are awe-inspiring. Komatsu PC800011. The Komatsu PC8000-11 is a massive hydraulic excavator used in mining. It is designed to handle the toughest digging conditions and can move large amounts of material quickly. Its impressive capabilities make it a key player in mining operations. Caterpillar 6090-FS. The Caterpillar 6090-FS is one of the largest hydraulic mining shovels in the world. With a bucket capacity of 52 cubic meters, it can move large volumes of earth efficiently. Its power and size are truly impressive. Liebherr R9800. The Liebherr R9800 is a large hydraulic excavator used in mining. It has a bucket capacity of 47.5 cubic meters and is designed for high-performance digging and loading. Its massive size and power make it a standout machine. Bucyrus Erie 2570WS. The Bucyrus Erie 2570WS is a massive dragline excavator used in mining operations. Its enormous bucket and long boom allow it to move large amounts of overburden quickly. Its size and efficiency are truly remarkable. Demag H740OS. The Demag H740OS is a large hydraulic mining shovel designed for heavy-duty digging and loading. Its powerful engine and massive bucket make it an incredibly efficient machine in mining operations. Komatsu WA 1200-6. The Komatsu WA 1200-6 is one of the largest wheel loaders in the world. It is used in mining for loading haul trucks and moving large amounts of material. Its impressive size and power make it a key player in mining operations. Liebherr T284. The Liebherr T284 is a large mining truck with a payload capacity of 400 tons. It is designed for high-efficiency hauling in mining operations. Its size and strength are truly remarkable. Hitachi EH5000AC3. The Hitachi EH5000AC3 is a large haul truck used in mining. It has a payload capacity of 326 tons and is designed for efficient hauling of large loads. Its impressive size and capabilities set it apart from other trucks. Komatsu D475A5. The Komatsu D475A5 is a large bulldozer used in mining and large-scale construction projects. Its powerful engine and large blade make it an incredibly efficient machine for heavy-duty earth-moving tasks. Liebherr R996B. The Liebherr R996B is a large hydraulic excavator used in mining. It has a bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters and is designed for high-performance digging and loading. Its impressive size and power make it a standout machine. Throughout this video, you've seen some of the biggest and most amazing heavy equipment machines in action. These machines represent the pinnacle of engineering, operating at another level to achieve remarkable feats in construction, mining, and more. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Leave a comment below to let us know which machine impressed you the most. See you in the next video.